Hello and welcome to video 2 for Anthropology 103, Introduction to Archaeology. You should already have viewed video number 1 before you view this video. And remember, when you see Syllabus Spotlight, you'll want to take a note because it could be on the syllabus quiz we're taking in class on August 31st. I would like to introduce myself. I am half Taiwanese, half Euro-American. I grew up in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I've been an archaeologist for a long time, since the mid-80s. I've been lucky enough to do archaeological research in a lot of amazing places. I started out doing archaeology in the pueblos of the American Southwest. I've worked in Ice Age bison bone beds of the Great Plains. I spent 2 years in the grasslands and jungles of Venezuela, living with a group of hunter-gatherers who taught me a lot about what it's like to live in a very wild place. And I've done some research in China, where I am right now, and that's why you're watching a video instead of seeing me live in class. You may be asking yourself, how can I do well in this class? So here is a syllabus spotlight. Attend every class. You should complete your readings prior to class. We will do some assignments together in class. Those will be graded assignments. I will also assess you using quizzes, a mapping assignment, and of course the final exam. So what do archaeologists do? I'm going to show you a few slides that are humorous, but are actually sort of the truth about the way that many people view archaeologists. The public thinks that we dig dinosaurs, so often this is what the public thinks I do. What my parents think I do is go to very fabulous exotic places and dig pyramids. What my friends think I do is actually quite glamorous. Many of you have seen the Indiana Jones videos and movies. Actually, this is sort of a female version. What corporations think I do, which is get in their way and make a lot of trouble for them. What I think I do, which is get into the field a whole lot and do fabulous research and excavate amazing things. But sadly, this is often what I really do, which is work with a lot of data and do a lot of writing. Now, that's not as bad as it may seem. I do get into the field, but I thought this was actually sort of a funny way to introduce archaeology to you. Another syllabus spotlight. What if I miss a class? In other words, what if you, the student, misses a class? Be sure to get the notes. Remember, there are no makeups. If you miss a graded assignment and you have a documented medical reason, I will average your grade from the rest of your assignments. Otherwise, that assignment will be documented as a 0. I'm going to talk about some of the reasons that people think archaeologists do crazy things. So many of the reasons that people think we dig dinosaurs is that we actually do, at times, work on very ancient sites that involve fossil remains, and that is the study of paleontology. We do sometimes deal with very spectacular and costly archaeological sites in terms of dealing with looting and also with talking to countries and to nations about their patrimony or their ownership of their heritage. We also deal very frequently with museums. Indiana Jones and his female counterpart could be mistaken for agents of colonialism, which is basically peoples of Western Europe coming to other countries and studying the cultures of those countries and then taking everything with them. So we will be talking a little bit about the phenomenon of colonialism and how we can get past that in the field of archaeology. The reason that corporations may see me as a tree hugger, or I would say a site hugger, is that we do much public archaeology. There are rules and laws in America and most other countries that protect archaeological sites. So many archaeologists work in the field of public archaeology and deal with many environmental laws that protect archaeological remains. And of course, we hope that we are doing a lot of scientific research. Archaeologists end up doing a lot of managerial tasks, but of course, we always dream of getting out there and doing some real excavations. I'd like to point out that archaeologists actually do it all. We are very familiar with business practices, such as project management, supervising personnel, analyzing law and policy, and juggling budgets and schedules. So here's another syllabus spotlight for you. You need to bring a pack of 3 by 5 inch index cards with you to class every time you come. Be sure to silence your cell phones and put them in your backpack. Laptops are permitted in class for note-taking. I may change that rule if I see that people are using them for other purposes. This is the end of video number 2. I look forward to meeting you all on August 31st. I'll see you in class.